baking soda, vinegar, empty bottle, goggles, gloves, balloons, and spoon. Do you know what happens to the balloon when you mix baking soda and vinegar? Let's find out. We're gonna mix it together. Wow.
Wow.
Do you know why that happened? Take a guess. Anyone? Baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid. When you mix it together, it makes gas in the balloon get bigger. Thank you for watching my video. And be kind. And love everybody. And it always be you. Thank you for watching my video. And make sure you subscribe and hit the dumb button.